What if I told you that some of the best software of your PC cost absolutely nothing? From faster file searches to professional video editing and better security, these free tools can save your money, time, and frustration. Here are 10 free programs every Windows PC should have in 2026. 7-Zip. These lightweight tools make it easy to compress large files and open popular archive formats like ZIP and RAR. It's fast, simple, and completely free. Bitwarden. Remembering dozens of passwords is a thing of the past. Bitwarden securely stores your passwords, generates stronger ones, and automatically fills them when you need them. Brave Browser. It blocks ad and tracker automatically, helping websites load faster while improving your privacy. It's a great choice for anyone tired of a cluttered browsing experience. Everything. Unlike traditional Windows search, everything finds files and folders almost instantly. Once you start using it, you will wonder how you ever managed without it. Microsoft PowerToys. This collection of free utilities adds powerful features to Windows, including advanced window management, quick app launching, text extraction, and other productivity tools that make everyday tasks faster and easier. Notion. Think of it as an all in one workplace for notes, tasks, projects, and planning. Whether you are a student, a creator, or a professional, Notion helps keep everything organized in one place. OBS Studio. Whether you are recording tutorials, capturing gameplay, or streaming online, OBS gives you professional quality recording and broadcasting tools without charging even a cent. ShareX. This powerful productivity tool lets you capture screenshot, record your screen, create GIFs, and even automate uploads. It's packed with features that most people didn't realize are completely free. DaVinci Resolve. It's one of the most powerful free video editor available, offering professional editing, visual effect, audio tools, and industry-leading color grading used in major productions. VLC Media Player. If you ever downloaded a video that would not play, VLC has you covered. It supports almost every video and audio format right out of the box, making it one of the most reliable media players available today. Those are 10 free programs every Windows PC should have in 2026. Which one is your favorite? And which one are you installing first? Let us know in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips, software recommendations, and productivity hacks.